Okay, ladies, this is the wig. This is the one that is about to make all of your fall photos look like a Pinterest board. Tell me that this doesn't scream rich auntie vibes with a side of soft life luxury. Who was going to tell y'all that those square hairlines is not one size fits all? If you have a round hairline and a low hairline like mine with a widow's peak, this new Lagos hairline is going to change everything for you. This hairline is an exact match to our natural hairlines. The texture, the color, the entire package is one of a kind, and you need this in your cart today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. And this video is going to be all about this ready-to-wear wig from RPGSHOW. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 20 inches in length, so yes, it is long enough to swing, but it won't drag on the floor. The hair texture is Yaki, so it's giving natural hair, which I love. The hairline features RPGSHOW's brand new Lagos hairline, which y'all need to get y'all hands on today because this just completely changed all wig installs forever. It features a widow's peak and low sides. This wig is going to elevate your fall looks, and best of all, the hard work is already done for us. The knots have been deep bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and let's get into this hair color because this color is literally everything. The roots are black, and it flawlessly blends into the most gorgeous chestnut brown color with ash blonde balayage highlights. The wig cap features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Here's the wig on the mannequin head straight out of the package. I love how even and professional this hair color is. RPGSHOW did an amazing job with it. I also really love the face framing blonde highlights in the front. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig, so you get deep center parting. Here's how much middle parting space you get, and I'll show you the side parting space as well. So the lace did come pre-tinted to a medium brown color, but I do want to lighten the parting space so that it could look a little bit more natural. I am grabbing my scalp shade of lace tint, and I am just going to spray the scalp area of this wig where the parting space is, and I'm doing 2 different layers of that shade. Moving on to styling, I'm grabbing my hair wax stick. I'm going to smooth that product onto the hairline and then use my comb to comb that product through, then grab my pressing comb and then just smooth all of the hairs into the direction that I want them to go into. And this is giving you a better view of how flawless this hairline is. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag Lagos in the comment section. This wig is looking so flawless so far. I am so excited about this install. I want to show you guys that the back of the wig does come with lace and you can adhere it down onto your skin for updos. So I'm just going to cut off the extra lace in the back just to prep it in case I want to wear an updo. And now I'm grabbing BioSilk's Silk Therapy Hair Serum, applying that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm grabbing the section, flat ironing it, and then adding a light bump at the ends. How do you feel about the new Lagos hairline? Have you ever tried it? What are your thoughts on it? Let's chat everything this hairline in the comment section. Can we just take a minute? Look how flawless this wig is. When I said main character energy, that's exactly what this wig is looking like. To finish off this hairstyle, I'm grabbing Sebastian's Shaper Spray, applying that to the hair. And what I love about this Shaper Spray is it allows me to be able to still comb through the hair, but it also gives it a light hold. It is finally time for me to cut off this extra lace. So I'm grabbing a pair of scissors. I'm going to slice the extra lace down the center. And then I'm grabbing my pinking shears and I'm going to carefully cut right in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature. This is going to be a glueless install. My biggest tip would be to adjust the elastic band and the adjustable strap for a custom fit. It's really like magic how this lace just melted into my skin with no glue tape or gel. Like, look at that. That looks like it's growing out of my scalp. That looks like my own natural hairline. It's scary, scary good. That's what this wig is. Scary good. Like, oh my goodness. So I did do a middle part, and then I decided to do a side part, or like a flip over, so you guys can see it in 2 different hairstyles. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this gorgeous wig, this flawless wig from RPG Show. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links in the description box, so check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, that's right. It's Beijos.